What is the true nature of life? It is the change. One thing that always prevails throughout our entire life, that is change. Everything is subjected to change. You all need to understand it. Everything is changing. And everything has this intrinsic and inherent nature of changing. You have to understand. To understand, you have to become a seeker, not a follower. See, we are in a follower culture, isn't it? Yes, we like to follow people, but we don't like to seek, find, question, ask why, how. We don't ask it. We always like to nod our head. We don't like to question. The first step of wisdom is to ask why, how it is happening. The Buddha says that you should practice Buddhism by asking questions. Asking questions to understand and realize. Why do you ask questions? Because you realize that you don't know. That is the first step of wisdom. The first step of wisdom is to realize that I don't know. I have to learn more. I have to seek. I need to ask. To ask for anything is the most difficult thing. Why? We have to put down our ego, isn't it? Yes. To ask for help, should we put down our ego? Yes. To ask for a question and say that I'm not clear with this, can you clarify it? You need to put down your ego. That is the nature of a seeker. So I will all invite you this day. It's a special day for me and for all of you. Ask questions and be a seeker. Okay? Be a seeker. Find something and ask why. What's happening? How it is happening? I need to know. I need to learn. Because you know that, and you understand that I don't know. That's the beginning of wisdom. That is why wisdom begins from the humblest places. Being humble and understanding that I don't know. I have to learn. I have to seek. I need to get the help. That is where you find the truth.